Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Chrome not opening problem. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone setting. So let me open from here, and you need to open the app management and go onto the app list and search for the Chrome. Click on that and click on storage and cache. And the first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and allow all permissions from here. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Play Store, and in Play Store you need to search for the Chrome. Click on that, and here you need to update your Chrome application. As you can see that my Chrome is up to date. Then you simply need to go and open Chrome, and here you need to search for anything, and here you can see that my Chrome is now working fine. So this is the process by which you can fix Chrome issues. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.